Good morning children. Welcome back to the review class of EVS. I see with my eyes. I see with my eyes. I see the sky up above and the ground down below. I see with my eyes. I hear with my ears. I hear with my ears. I hear the birds sing at the morning. I hear with my ears. I hear with my ears. I smell with my nose. I smell with my nose. I smell the yummy apple pie. I smell with my nose. I taste with my tongue. I taste with my tongue. I taste my favorite ice cream. I taste with my tongue. I touch with my fingers. I touch with my fingers. I touch the soft clay and water I play. I touch with my fingers. Did you get an idea about our topic? Yes, you are becoming smart. What is the secret? Yes, we started online class, isn't it? Yes. So, if you want to know what is happening around us, we have 5 ways to know what is happening around us. Our body is the most amazing machine in the world. So, we have 5 ways to know what is happening around us. What are they? Do you know it? That 5 ways to know the things, we call it as sense. So, sense organs are 5. So, they help us to know what is happening around us. They are sight, hearing, smell, taste and touch. We see the things with our eyes. We hear the sounds with our ears. We smell the things with our nose. We taste with our tongue. We touch with our skin. Let us have a look of each one, isn't it? Eyes. Eyes help us to see different colors. Yellow, red, orange, green, different colors we can see with our eyes. Not only colors, we can see different shapes, triangle, circle, rectangle, all shapes you can see. When you see the things, some are small, some are big. So, we can see colors, we can see shapes, we can see small or big objects. All these we are realizing with our eyes. What about our ears? Ears help us to hear beautiful music. Not only music, you may make noise when you are in traffic. Noise. So, ears will help us to hear music and noise. When you hear music, you will feel happy. When you feel noise, you will get angry, isn't it? So, ears will help us to hear music and noise. Then what about our nose? Do you like jasmine flowers? Rose flowers? Yeah, beautiful smell. So, nose will help us to smell good, not only good smell. What about drainage smell? Very bad smell. So, nose will help us to sense good smell and bad smell. What about our tongue? tongue will help us to taste different tastes. Can you name any taste? You like always chocolate, which is sweet, isn't it? So, tongue help us to taste not only sweets or chocolates. It will help us to taste salt, salty things, sweet things, bitter gourd. Do you like bitter gourd? No. So, bitter taste also we can identify with our tongue. Spicy also we can taste. There is another taste, umami. Have you heard of it? Umami. It is the taste of mushroom cheese. When you eat cheese, you will get a special taste, that is umami. So, with the help of tongue, we can taste sweet, salty, bitter, spicy and umami taste. Then next, what about touch? Skin will help us to identify things by touching. We can identify the object is soft or hard. So, here this is a soft object. When you touch, if I close my eyes and touch, I feel it is soft, isn't it? When I touch my marker pen, it is very hard. So, skin help us to identify soft and hard, heat and cold. You close your eyes and tell your friend to put one ice cube on your palm. You will feel cool, isn't it? So, skin help us to identify heat and cold. Same way, skin help us to identify sharp and blunt. Sharp means you are sharpening your pencil. So, sharp edge. When you touch the tip of pencil, you will understand it is a sharp edge. When you touch the back side, you will understand it is a blunt. So, skin help us to identify soft and hard objects, heat and cold objects, sharp and blunt objects. How wonderful it is. So, we have 5 sense organs. These sense organs help us to enjoy the world, isn't it? So, you enjoy your life with your sense organs. Since you become smart, I bought a surprise for you. Why? Because I have a small friend, Avika. She came with me. She wants to meet you. Shall I call her? Avika, please come. This is our Avika. Do you like Avika? Say hi to Avika. Avika came here to sing a song with you. She wants to sing a song with you. Her ears you can't see, I covered with a cap. But she wants to sing a song with you. Are you all ready to sing with her? Yes. So, first listen to her and sing with her. Okay. 1, 1, 1. I have one head. 1, 1, 1. I have one nose. 1, 2, 2, 2. I have 2 eyes. 2, 2, 2. I have 2 hands. 2, 2, 2. I have 2 legs. Will you touch and sing with Avika? Are you all ready? Yes, very good children. Stand up all of you. 1, 1, 1. I have one head. 1, 1, 1. I have one nose. 2, 2, 2. I have 2 hands. 2, 2, 2. I have 2 eyes. 2, 2, 2. I have 2 legs. Now we will sing together. Avika taught us to sing well. So let us sing it once again. Are you all ready? Yes. 1, 1, 1. I have one head. 1, 1, 1. I have one nose. 2, 2, 2. I have 2 eyes. 2, 2, 2. I have 2 ears. 2, 2, 2. I have 2 hands. 2, 2, 2. I have 2 legs. Did you understand anything from this song? Yes, body parts. In our body parts, some body parts we have only single, some we have two. We have only one nose, we have only one head, but we have two hands, two legs. So, some body parts exist as pairs, some exist as single. So, now let us have a look of our body parts. Are you all ready to study body parts? Yes. So, I will take Avya here again. Our body can be divided into three. Head, this middle part, trunk, legs and hands. Limbs, head, trunk and limbs. Limbs means legs and hands. Now let us study about head. Can you see my head? I have long hair. What is this? Hair. And this part of head is called front part. We call it as face. Where is my face? Touch your face. Yes. This is called forehead. This is our nose. These are eyes. These are eyebrows. These are eyelashes, these hairs. These are eyelids. These are cheeks. This is chin. These are my ears. This is my neck. Do you know the use of neck? Neck will help us to look up and down, left and right. Neck will help us to look up and down, left and right. These are my shoulders. These are my arms. These are my hands. This joint, this is elbow. This is wrist. Here we used to wear our watch, wrist watch. Why? Because we are wearing the watch here. So, it is our wrist. These are fingers. We have 5 fingers in one hand. 5 plus 5, total we have 10 fingers. This is our chest. This is my stomach. This is thigh. These are thighs. These are knees. Knees is a joint just like we are having elbow. It is helping us to fold our hands. You can fold your legs with the knees. Now, while coming to the leg, these are foot. Can you see the foot? Yes. Now, what is this? These are heels. So, this part of leg, foot, we will call it as heel. And this part, ankle. And we have fingers in the foot. We call it as toes. Did you get me? Did you understand our body parts? Shall I test you? Are you all ready to expect my test through a song? Ready? Clap your hands, clap your hands. Touch your head, touch your head. Touch your eyes, touch your eyes. Clap your hands, clap your hands. Touch your forehead, touch your forehead. Clap your hands, clap your hands. Touch your ears, touch your ears. Clap your hands, clap your hands. Touch your shoulders, touch your shoulders. Clap your hands, clap your hands. Turn around, turn around. Touch your knees, touch your knees, touch your knees. Clap your hands, clap your hands. Touch your toes, touch your toes. You all are doing well. Did you understand our body parts well? Here I have a picture for you. Here all body parts are mentioned. Isn't it? So if you have any doubt, you can ask. These are our nails. Can you see nails? Yes, you may apply nail polish. Isn't it? So you got idea about our body parts. Body parts can be divided into two, external body parts and internal body parts. Internal body parts you can't see. Only external body parts you can see. We studied now external body parts. Now let us see the internal body parts. I told you about our brain. Brain help us to head. Inside the head we have brain. So brain help us to identify things. When you see a flower, you will identify it is a flower. Why? Because our brain tells you. So, did you see brain? Here I bought my brain. Can you see my brain? You don't break your head to see brain. Just see. This is my brain. Next internal organ is our lungs. This is our lungs. Sponge like lungs. When you breathe through nose, when you take air, it will store in this lungs. So helps in breathing. This is lungs. So the air will be filled with this. This is our lungs. This is my heart. Can you see my heart? Your heart is in the shape of a fist. All of you put your hands like this. This is the shape of my heart. Fist. So see, this is heart. And did you see kidney? These are kidneys. And you can see the internal part in another way. Can you see? About the internal parts, you will study in higher class. Do you have the curiosity at present to study about our internal parts? Yes, good children. I hope you are more energetic today. So till we see in the next class, keep on studying, be energetic, smart. Till we meet in the next class. See you.